Hi everyone, welcome this e-video. Myself Kausalya, working as a temporary assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli. The topic what we are going to learn in reconnaissance, which comes under Unit 3. Now let me introduce about Whois. Whois means a very simple but effective means for collecting additional information about our target is Whois. The Whois service allows us to access specific information about our target, including the IP addresses or host names of the company's DNS. DNS means domain name systems, servers and contact information which usually contains an address and a phone number. Whois is built into the Linux operating system. The simplest way to use this service is to open a terminal and enter the following command. Whois space target underscore domain. This is the syntax. This is partial output from Whois query. Next, for example, to find out information about Syncris, we would issue the following command: Whois space syncris.com. It is important to record all the information and pay special attention to the DNS servers. If the DNS servers are listed by name only, we will use the host command to translate those names into IP addresses. We will discuss the host command in the next section. You can also use a web browser to search Whois by navigating to http://www.whois.net. You can search for your target in the Whois lookup box. This is the Whois.net, a web-based lookup tool. You can search for your target in the Whois lookup box. Then Whois evolved from the Unix operating system, but it can now be found in many operating systems as well as in hacking toolkits and on the internet. This tool identifies who has registered domain names used for email or websites. URL means a uniform resource located, such as www.microsoft.com contains the domain name microsoft.com and a host name or alias www. The Internet Corporation or ICANN. ICANN means Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers requires registration of domain names to ensure that only a single company uses a specific domain name. The Whois tool queries the registration database to retrieve contact information about the individual or organization that holds a domain registration. Next one is hacking tool. Smart Whois is an information gathering program that allows you to find all available information about an IP address, host name or domain, including country, state, city, name of the network provided, administrated, and technical support contact information. Smart Whois is a graphical version of the basic Whois program. IRIN. Next topic is IRIN. The IRIN is a database of information including such information as the owners of static IP addresses. The IRIN database can be queried using the Whois tool, such as the one located at http://www.irin.net/whois in http://www.yahoo.com. Notice that addresses, emails and contact information are all contained in this Whois search. This information can be used by an ethical hacker to find out who is responsible for a certain IP address and which organization owns that target system, or it can be used by a malicious hacker to perform a social engineering attack against the organization. We need to be aware of the information available to the public in searchable databases such as IRIN and ensure that a malicious hacker cannot use this information to launch an attack against the network. This is the output of the IRIN. http://www.yahoo.com. Figure 1 shows an IRIN Whois search for www.yahoo.com. Notice that addresses, emails and contact information are all contained in this Whois search. The information can be used by an ethical hacker to find out who is responsible for a certain IP address and which organization owns that target system, or it can be used by a malicious hacker to perform a social engineering attack against the organization. As a security professional, you need to be aware of the information available to the public in searchable databases such as IRIN and ensure that a malicious hacker cannot use this information to launch an attack against the network. Next, understand how to perform Whois lookup for personal or company information. Means know how to use the IRIN, LACNIC, RIPE, NCC, APNIC, APNAC and Whois databases to locate, register and company contact information. Know how to find the name of the target companies, external and internal domain names. Means you should be able to use the Whois and some spade tools to locate the domain information for a given company. Knowledge of the IRIN database is also necessary for the exam. Thank you.